Welcome to the Ultimate Email Marketing and Management Masterclass, where you're going to learn how to build a list, how to generate leads, and how to become an email marketing expert. In this particular course, we have 7 different sections where in the very beginning, we go over email basics, then we go over the different components of an email, and we go over different email service providers, and then also how to build email lists. We go into building a warm email subscriber list, as well as how to develop a landing page, how to develop a free cheat sheet or free item that you're going to give away so that you can get the email from the actual user, and then also how to generate leads from a cold email marketing list. I'm going to show you where to find these leads, where to get lists from, and then I'm going to share with you all the different tools and resources that you're going to need for your email marketing campaigns, how to send mass emails in bulk, and then how to make sure that you're staying compliant and avoiding the spam filter, you're following the laws, and you're making sure that your email is holding its credibility. My name is Juan, and I'm going to be your instructor in this course. My background is in the digital marketing space. I own a digital marketing agency, and I also do some consulting on the side to help businesses generate more business through warm email subscribers as well as cold email lead generation for being able to develop new business opportunities. I've been able to help businesses generate hundreds of thousands of dollars in new business opportunities. So I'm excited for you to join me in this program where you're going to learn everything you need to know to become an email marketing expert.